What's up YouTube? It's your girl Bami back with another video. Can you guys guess the destination? It's giving travel vlog and I'm here with a different group of people. Say hi for us. Guys, you probably seen the destination in the title, but I'm gonna tell y'all again. Where we at for us? Dubai. Here's me. Oh, Z.
Just be.
Just take a breath.
No.
Anyway, long story short, we're on a family trip and the parents are already aggravating us, so this should be a very long and interesting trip. Wish me the best of luck.
Praise God, bro.
Had a grind and hustle hard because I wanted more than this. Mama get my ass in school, I wasn't out here flipping bricks. How I made it out the trenches, but I'm still living like shit. Really wanted more than that, really wanted more.
It's day 2 in Dubai. I don't think I showed you guys my view yesterday, but it's really eating the girls up. Like, do y'all see this? Like, oh, I could wake up to this every day. This is so beautiful. All right guys, so we are about to go and get some breakfast. I think I might show you guys how it looks. I may not. We'll see how I'm feeling. But we're about to go get some breakfast, and then I think we're gonna try to go to the market, and we have like a desert safari, like camel, ATV, henna, and dinner. So that's pretty much the day today. Let's see how it goes. May go out after, but I'm gonna just bring my camera along and take y'all for the ride. Hey, what's up? Hello guys. So it's after breakfast. We're currently all waiting in the lobby. They're down there, but it's mad people. Mad people. I never did no vlog with this many people around before, so I'm trying my best, guys. But kind of wanted to show you guys my outfit. This is not how you tie it. I just didn't want the back to show because I am out of family of Lent and I don't want to hear too many mouths. But yeah, this is the OOTD. We're about to go. Oh, and they gave us like these shirts. We're all matching, but my mom got me a purple shirt and not a brown one. So don't really go with my outfit. So I will not be taking pictures in it, but I guess I'll wear it. But yeah, we're about to head out now. Really excited, and I'm gonna get as much footage for you guys as I possibly can. Okay, guys. So we just finished the Doom Buggy, and it was so fun.
It was fun.
Miss Tina was screaming. Screaming. It was fun though, and we was going like up and down the dunes. I put like a little clip of us going. Round 2, we're gonna go in a car this time. I'm not driving, so I'm gonna show y'all what it's giving. Alright guys, so we're here in the desert. I think we're waiting. The rest of my family is going on a camel ride, but if you guys saw my Morocco vlog, I already did that. I'm not trying to cheat on Posh or anything, so I'm not gonna go again. And plus I didn't really like it. But yeah, we're in the desert right now. I'm on an ATV, but I'm not riding it though. I'm low-key trying to get some shots for a video, so we're gonna see how they come out. And yeah, I'll catch y'all at whatever's next. So we came back, as you can see, outfit change. It is currently around 12 a.m. Me and a couple of the other people are about to head to Miss Lily's. They said it's a really calm, cute, casual vibe, so do a quick fit check. You guys have seen this dress before. It's from Pretty Little Thing. And I have these black sandals from like Rainbow or something. Yeah, super excited about the vibe of Miss Lily's. I'm going to get as much footage as I can. By the way, my henna dry. It looks so pretty. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. It literally looks beautiful. But yeah, we're about to head out right now, me and Z, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
I'm not gonna lie, if God wills me to take this home, I will.
Imagine.
My mama.
Imagine.
What is up? It is day 2, 3, 2, who knows? I can't count no more. Y'all, the jet lag got me last night. It took me by my neck and said, sit down and go to sleep. And that's exactly what happened. That is why I'm starting the vlog at 2:21 today. So pretty late start, but it's okay because we still have a day ahead of us. So yesterday we went to Miss Lily's. I'm pretty sure the clips are in here if y'all didn't just see them. I'm gonna tell y'all again. Miss Lily's was so fun. The DJ was so good and I had such a good time. But, you know, maybe too much of a good time because I was down for the count this morning. Like, I missed breakfast and all of that. Like, it was not given. It really was not given. But it's cool. We're up. We're alive. We're moving. We're gyrating. We're about to go head to the sushi spot in our hotel. You know, just get something to eat. Put something in our stomachs. And then today is the party for my aunt. Ew. Talking too much. See what happens? Anyway, today is the party for my aunt. So it's like a cream party. So we basically all have to wear cream. Yeah, it's gonna see what it's given, what it gave. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all some of the sushi spot as well. But missed the day. My parents are actually out. I don't know where they went, but they went out. But me, Fawaz, and Z are in here getting ready to go eat because we are starved. I'm not gonna lie, the food in the hotel has been slapping though. I'm not gonna lie. I had like a chicken burger the first time I came here, and we had this burger last night, and I don't know if it was the liquor or if the burger was that good, but the burger did not make it outside of the restaurant. That's all I can say. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking y'all and boring y'all to death, and I'm gonna just show y'all what my day 2, 3, 2. We're gonna say day 3. I think it's day 3. Don't quote me on that. I'll probably edit it if it's not. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what that's like right now. Still waiting for Fawaz and Z, but I'm gonna do a quick little fit check with you guys. So, okay. So, set from Fashion Nova, heels from Fashion Nova. Then I have a little jewelry. Oh, I forgot my bag. Bag I'm pretty sure I got from Amazon, but this is the fit. Hopefully I get some pictures in it. I may not, we'll see. But I am super excited. I look cute, I feel cute. I really ate this makeup down, guys. That's really what I'm like, really like, y'all see the face? I've been using a whole bunch of new products, so new tutorial for you guys coming soon, coming very, very, very soon. But I'm honestly testing them against the Dubai heat, which is why I can't give them to you right now. But yeah, little accent jewelry, nothing too crazy, just keeping it nice and simple today, featuring my henna. But yeah, so we're about to go downstairs and we're about to have a good time, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Back again. What's up? So we just got back from the little haul party. I'm not gonna lie, my aunt is tough for doing a haul party in Dubai. That's pretty tough. But yeah, we are gonna go to Enish tonight. So we're gonna see what the vibes is giving over there. Give y'all a quick OOTD. I'm not even fully dressed, but I just changed my bodysuit. I'm gonna wear these. Actually, let me just put it on. Okay, OOTD. This cute little bodysuit. I probably got it from AliExpress. Not too sure. Flats from Rainbows. Bag from Amazon. Honestly, guys, I dress like this to show y'all you could be a baddie on a budget. You do not need exorbitant amounts of money to look good. Like, I don't know who told the girls that, but they lied. Like, I look amazing. And this whole outfit probably cost like, I want to say 15, 10, maybe like 20. I think the bag was like the most expensive thing. Like, is that 45? Like under $50. Hello. Y'all, get into it. I'm teaching y'all how to be a baddie on a budget this entire year. Because honestly, that's really how I funded my travel. Being a baddie on a budget. But the budget is not as long as people think. That's the gag. That really is the gag. But yeah, going to Enish tonight. We may spin back on Miss Lily's because we had a really good time. But for right now, the destination is Enish. If anything changes, I will let y'all know. But I'll catch y'all at Enish. What's popping, y'all? Day 4, I think, maybe, who knows, but we're here, we're alive, we made it. We went to Enish last night. Amazing. 10 out of 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. But then we spun back to Miss Lily's, and guess who we met? I'm pretty sure I put a clip, but I'm gonna put a clip right here. Yeah, so I'm kind of sad though, low-key, because I feel like I should have asked for a feature. But I was talking to my friend. He was talking about some, baby, you don't have no feature money for Neo. I was like, points were made. Points were made, points were made. But yes, so that was last night. Today we are going to the Museum of the Future, I'm pretty sure it's called. Not too far from where we're staying. So we're finna go there, check it out, see what it's giving. Maybe I'll get some clips for my video. I definitely will get some clips for my video. I don't even know why I'm lying like that. But yeah, we're about to head over there right now, and let's go. So Museum of the Future was a bust. We got there and the tickets were sold out, so we're gonna try to see if maybe we can go again another day. But So we are headed to the Dubai Mall right now, and we're gonna go to the Infinity de Lumières. See what that's like. We're gonna see if we can get tickets for the Museum of the Future tomorrow. But y'all, please, when y'all get here, do not take these black car services. Just take the regular taxis, because they will really try to rob you. Like, it's ridiculous what we just paid to go 5 minutes down the road. And I should, yeah, just don't take the black cars. Take the regular taxis. The rates are better. You actually see what you're being charged. But yeah. What's up, guys? We are back in our hotel room. So the original place we wanted to go to, Luminaires, Infinity Luminaries, or whatever it's called, was closed. So we just ended up walking around Dubai Mall, which was really nice. Got some Jollibee, which I'm gonna try for the first time. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I was so sad this day did not go as planned, but you know, at least I'm here to tell the story. So fries, peach mango pie, and then I got this from my sister. I got, ooh, come on now. Ooh. I got the Jollibee chicken sandwich spicy. Super excited to try Jollibee. They just opened one in the city. They just opened one in the city, but I haven't been there yet. So this is gonna be like my first time trying Jollibee, and maybe I'll go to one in the city and see if there's any difference. But I got this drink, it's called Miranda or something. Pretty much like orange Fanta.
Oh.
But oof, yeah. I don't know what I should try first. I think I'm gonna try the chicken sandwich first. And then I'll come back again and try the peach mango. Oof. But yeah, okay. So the Dubai Mall is so big. Like, this ketchup tastes a little different. I could taste the tomato. But Dubai Mall is so big. Like, you could lose a baby in there. It's so huge. And then, like, on top of that,
Of course.
there's so many different sides, so many different stores. Probably should warm mine too, but I'm hungry. Let me try this for y'all. Don't believe the hype. Okay. It's better than Popeye's chicken sandwich. I will say that. But nothing spectacular. I probably should have got their regular chicken, but maybe when I go to New York, I'll get their regular chicken. It's good though. I'd give it like 7.5 out of 10. It's not bad, but I didn't really have anything to go off of, so it was just good. Alright guys, that sandwich was actually good. I changed it from like a 7.5 to like an 8. It was really good. And now, trying the peach and mango pie. Now, I don't know if I heard anything about this, let alone good things. But hopefully it tastes good. Maybe, what do you think it's gonna taste like? That is the same response I get when I'm talking to my camera. So when y'all ask how am I a YouTuber, every time I speak, my siblings just ignore me. So it's the same difference. I feel like you just have to keep eating this. Like, that's really how I feel. It's not bad. It's not what you would expect. But it's not bad. I mean, it's exactly what you would expect, but like, apple pie tastes better. 6 out of 10. It's okay. Not all that. Just okay. And guys, we are back up from our nap. Barely. About to head to the pool party right now. See what it's giving, what it's gave. And yeah, just have a good time overall. Guys, it's Bami back again. Once again, late start today, but today we are having a yacht party, which I'm very excited about. Should be interesting, should have a good time. Once again, you already know the deal with the footage. What I get is what I get. Y'all don't get upset, because y'all don't know how hard it is carrying a camera and my phone and content creation and life, and it's a lot, but I try to give y'all the best that I got. So that's the mood today. About to head down now. The bus just got here, so yeah, let's go shake our ass on a yacht in Dubai, no thong included. That shit up bag and cheese
What's going on? So what's going on? Show creativity.
guys, it's your girl Bami back again. It's our final full day in Dubai. It is currently 12:12. We're about to head back to Dubai Mall to pick up some things and probably stop by the aquarium and or a market. We're really gonna do whatever time allows because we have a really early flight, so we're not trying to stay out or do too much. After the boat ride yesterday, literally went in and went to bed. It was just a lot. It was draining. It was hot. And it's hot today, guys. 102 degrees. I never experienced nothing like this. When I said summer, this is not what I meant. It's actually kind of rude. But I digress. I'm only here on vacation. I don't have to live in this heat. So we're about to go back to the mall, pick up a few things. I think I really want to check out the Zara there. And yeah, we're gonna have a good time. Alright guys, so we just left the Gold Souk and we wanted to go to the normal souk, but I'm tired. It's 4:26. So we're just gonna go back to Dubai Mall because Fuwa saw some things that he liked and so did I. So I guess I'll just try to get like my perfumes and oils from there. There was this one place that had perfume that I really liked, and look, we're driving past all the perfume places, imagine. But yeah, we're gonna head back over there, see what we can find. And yeah.